Hey guys, Tarek with Cyclone FPV, and I'm doing a real quick video here on how to get to the device manager so we can see what's wrong with your flight controller or some other component that you're using. Sometimes it's just going to help for us to look at your device manager, make sure it's even being detected with the right drivers, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go on and head over to our computer screen right here. And here's what I want you to do. If you're running Windows, and this only obviously applies if you're running Windows, is I want you to go down to the bottom left corner here where you have your Windows icon, and if you hover over it, it says Start. I want you to right click. So don't left click on it, but right click, and you're going to see this menu screen pop up. When this menu screen pops up right here, I want you to go to Run and click Run. And then you can see the words in my Run dialog box right here under Open. I've typed in the word Control, okay? So make sure you type in the word Control and then click OK. What that's going to do is it's going to automatically open your control panel. And from there, yours may look like this. If yours looks like it's in category view, and you can see right here, it says View By, I want you to make sure you go to Large Icons, okay? And then from Large Icons, I want you to go to Device Manager right here, all right? When you open that up, here's what we're looking for. Okay, watch what happens, and I want you to pay attention to this section right here. You see this COM port? Okay, what I'm using right now, and I'll just show you the screen here so you can watch exactly what I'm doing. Let me go this route. All right, so what I have right here is I have an old, one of my favorite boards. This is an ACE32 board, okay? When I unplug it, if you look at the screen, the refresh shows that the COM port is gone. When I plug it back in, you're going to see it refresh, and it's going to show the COM port is here. This is what I want to see on yours. I want to know if you have a COM port showing up, and if it has a long title like this, or if it just says COM port USB device on COM port 30 or something to that effect. I'm looking for the drivers to be loaded, and it could say Silicon Labs or a couple other different companies up here, but right now we're looking at Silicon Labs. And so we want to make sure now, if I grab another board, for example, I will grab an HGLRC here, and let me show you what this looks like. If I grab an HGLRC, this is an F722 board, so a newer board. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. So I'm going to unplug my NAS, so you're going to see that disappear. You see the COM port disappear, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in my HGLRC, and you're going to see it populate again. So just give it a second. Okay, and what we're going to see here, see now we have an STM Electronics right here, okay? So you have STM Electronics, Silicon Labs. We're looking for these kind of names to make sure that there's actually drivers loaded as well, because we'll have people say, hey, my board, BetaFlight doesn't recognize my board, and so forth. And it could be for any amount of reasons, but we need to knock out this part first. So before you submit anything that says that you can't see your board, please make sure to capture a video about this. It is going to be very important that we know if you're able to even see it as a COM port under your, if it's listed as a COM port. If it's not, there's a good chance that the drivers aren't loaded properly. We need to address that first. All right, guys, if you have any questions, as always, you can always hit us up. So find us on CycloneFPV.com. And please, as always, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Always appreciate your support. Talk to you soon, guys. God bless.